New day, new adventure, man. Hey, thank you everybody for the nice tips and tricks in the comments on previous videos. We'll try to use them today. We are now going to the new location. We never been there before, and yeah, hopefully the truck is still there. It's 1 hour to drive, but yeah, let's not lose our hope and see you there. Let's roll. Oh, the road, man, the road is just ass. It's been a while since we rolled last time, so let's hope we can still damn. Let's hope we can still drive. We are gonna try to use clutch today a little bit more, because previously we were using only the gas pedal. Grab the wall. Я? Что?
Я просто смотрю.
Ну?
Да, мне надо будет подкачать, я просто...
Ну, сколько вам надо?
Не, я после приду.
Ну простой. Плюс-минус и все.
Окей.
Ну, вы знаете, сколько вам надо?
Да, 2,4, 2,6.
Ну да, все нормально здесь. Лудзу. Damn, we are getting closer. Only 10 minutes. 10 minutes left to race. We're almost here. Almost. Ooh. Yeah, this at least is away from the city and everything. Man, we are so close. Man. Well, where is it? Should be maybe somewhere behind these trees. Oh, there's water? No! Damn. Rain in the eye. Oh, I see. Here we at. This is the place. How you get in there? I don't see normal path, but I see that it's definitely something there. And where is the road in? Man, is this road or this is lake? Nah, this is lake and some shit. Can't be, man. Need to check the map again. We need to check the map. No, not the weather, but the map. Where we at? Nedaudz ne tur aizbraucam. Okay. Okay, man. I was already like, no way. I mean, I was like that, you know. This turns out to be a lake or something. So false alarm. Everything is still possible. As always, road to the track is just ass. That's by default. Doesn't matter where the track is or whatever. Hopefully nobody is there. Avoid everything. And technically we are almost. And I guess here we are. This is the spot. I guess. So I guess this is the entry point. Whoa! We are all good. This is a new location. Yeah, there are some rocks. Okay, some rocks where the truck went. Ah, I see. It was usually going like this. Damn, there's a lot of trash, man. What the fuck? No, why you do that, man? Come on. Well, technically then we have only these tires and shit. We need to remove those big rocks. No, maybe we most important is not to have major, you know, holes. And then what's here? All good. Technically it is some location there. Nothing there. You know, I thought this from the videos, this truck looked way better. What? Uz atpakaļu? Stop. Damn. Nē, atpakaļ. Lēnām. Labi. Labi. Stop. Uz priekšu. Tā, tagad tev viņa uz priekšu uz bumperi. Kaut kā pagaidi.
Pastāvēt šita virsū, es, protams, esīšu uz priekšu, lai neceļš tas gals augšā. Cik mēs lēnām ripināšanu, tu skaties, lai...
Okay, we'll try that. Slowly. Okay. Stop, stop, stop. Stop.
Parod.
Dai, tu rauj kā tu rāji, un es ten arī pārauju. Nē. Nē, 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 uz otru pusi labāk. O, jā. Stop.
Viņas ir kaut kāds smagums iekšā. O, ir.
Tā, mierīgi.
Pagaid. Jā. Jā. Ova.
Oh.
Pagaid, tos.
That was a mission. Damn.
Raima likās ritīgi tālāk viņa.
Whoa. Damn, the grip is unreal. Damn, you can, you know, need to close maybe. Nah, man, this shit is ass. This track is just ass. Fucking hell. There is a lot of shit. The rocks. Not the best. Well, you can do something, you know, but I was expecting a little better. Yeah, of course, this is old as fuck racetrack, but well, kinda racetrack. And what the hell is here? You also need to, you know, see where you're going. Ay, ay, ay. Nah, second gear is not yet. Maybe if only you yeah, it's possible, but this is just, I know, I feel bad for the car, you know. Yeah, all the hype, but at the end nothing. At least we are gonna know. I don't know, I guess that then we maybe wait for the winter. Yeah, compare this asphalt to, I don't know, that track, night and day difference.